Hi guys. So today, I just got my hand crank siren right here. It's right here. It's VXS Vixen Horns VXS-2000MTP hand crank siren. Sorry. Today we're just gonna do a short alert. So yeah, it's really cool. So yeah, let's go and do this. That's really cool. Anyway, sorry that I had to cover it up because I was, well, worried about the neighbors might come out, so yeah. Hi. That Singapore's mall right there. So yeah. Have a great day.
5 minutes later, my friend Jake came by to my house to say hi, and my friend had heard my siren from a mile away. So he decided he came over to say hi.
Alright guys, and not only that, Jake heard the sound the siren has been going off, but he forgot to record it, but
Yeah.
I should have told him to record it, but his phone was acting weird, so I don't know what's going on.
Yep, I heard it from far away.
How far are you? Oh my, did you hear it from a mile away? That's crazy.
Yeah.
I would say, how did Jake even hear that my siren has been going off on a test? Well, it was like a quick alert, but it's just a quick test. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like it's gonna rain.
No, it doesn't look like it.
Oh, it doesn't?
I looked at the weather. It says it's not gonna rain afternoon, but tomorrow it will.
Yeah, tomorrow it will.
So yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna go hit some trails, but I'll see you later.
All right. See you later,
Bye.
Jake. Bye. All right, guys. That's it.